Hi guys, I'm Navonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Path. Today's recipe is made with lots of love and nuts. So, presenting baklava. Let's go to the kitchen.
Baklava is a classic Greek and Turkish sweet dessert pastry that dates back to BC. Fascinating, right? Layers of buttery, flaky phyllo dough are piled high between sections of ground nut mixture of pistachios, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts, either in combination of two or three. Once baked and golden brown, the entire pan is doused in citrusy spiced honey syrup and soaked for hours. It's sweet, a little sticky, a little spicy, and fabulously nutty. Aromatics like rose or orange acts as an essence. Multiply or divide the ingredients as per the bakeware. Adjust the level of sweetness as per your preference. I have used almonds and pistachios in equal proportion for the nut mixture. Phyllo dough is thinner than paper thin layers of unleavened dough that are crunchy, flaky, and virtually fat free, popularly used in Middle Eastern and Balkan cuisines. Baklava has a really lengthy shelf life, about 2 weeks plus. Please remember to store it in an airtight container, either at room temperature or in the fridge. If you store it at room temperature, it will preserve the crispiness. But if you prefer your baklava to be chewy and a bit harder, then put it in the refrigerator. Let it soak in the syrup for at least 6 hours or overnight. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.